Hi guys, today I will be explaining about changing bank account on Stripe. This is a simple task, and you can see I am on my Stripe dashboard. And from here, you have to find the option setting, which is on the right top. And here you can see the option setting. Just tap on it. Once you will tap on the option setting, you will be redirected to this page. And on this page, you have to find the option Bank Account and Currency, which is just below to the business setting. Once you find it, tap on it. And here you can see the option settlement currencies and bank account. If you want to add a new bank account, then you have to tap on these three dots, and here you have to tap on the second option, Edit Bank Account. And you will get a new window. In this window, you have to write the country of your bank account and fill the other details. Due to security reason, I hide this info. Once you fill all these info, then Edit Account will be enabled. And after tapping on the option Edit Account, the new account will be added to your Stripe, and it was the way by which you can add bank account in your Stripe.